What's up, everybody? Here down beautiful Long Beach Island. Been coming down here since I was a youth. This is a beautiful place to come with your family. It's great, very family oriented. The beaches are wonderful. Kids are gonna really enjoy today, I'm sure. Normally we spend like 2 weeks down here every summer, but this year did not work out. Where I'm at right now is called Sunset Park. It's in Harvey Cedars. You can see it has this really awesome playground. There's some ball fields, path where you can go ride bikes. The bay here is also very shallow, so you can walk out in it. They have a lot of concerts here. It's like a concert series. It's really cool. Here's my two daughters. We're out here on the beach. It's a very breezy day. You can see that's our umbrella going crazy. What do you guys think? Is it a nice day at the beach?
Yeah! Yeah!
Are you excited and happy to be reunited and be out here on the beach? Me too. Margo, how do you scare away a seagull? What's up? We're at Fantasy Island on the carousel. We're gonna ride on the bench. A horse, right?